So today we got XrsBeauty, y'all. These are one of my favorite hair companies to work with, y'all. I love their packaging. Their packaging is the best, hands down. I really love their packaging. But let's go ahead and open this baby. It be feeling like I'm in Christmas opening up their packages, y'all. So let's see what we got. Okay, so they sent me a 24-inch 150% density wig, y'all. Let's get into the goodies first, okay? I love the goodies, and then we'll get into the wig. So they sent me a bunch of goodies. They sent me an adjustable band for the wig. They sent me oh, these are different. Okay, so they sent me an edge brush. I have the comb and the brush on the same side but on different sides, and then they have this thing so I can part. These are so dope. These are different. I've never had this kind before. And then they sent me a comb, a clear one. Okay, period. I worked with this company before. They sent me a wig cap, and they sent me some rollers. Okay, get into it, period. So one thing about this hair company, if they have this new clear lace wig, y'all, that I love, because it literally looks like it's melted on your, it don't even look like you have a wig on, like for real. Like, I know y'all so used to the HD wigs, the transparent and everything, but their new clear lace wig is freaking wonderful. Okay, you guys, so I'm actually going to show y'all the difference. All right, you guys, so they sent me two comparisons for the transparent lace and also the new clear lace wig that I've been telling y'all about. So this is the new clear lace one, and this is just transparent one. I'm actually going to show you guys the difference in both of these. I'll spray it a little more and dry that baby. Y'all see how well that blends into my skin? Like, you see this, and you see once I add the Got To Be spray, it blends into my skin so well, y'all. And this is their transparent lace, and that blends in so well compared. So do y'all see the lace on the outside compared to the actual lace that's molded on my arm? Beautiful. I'll see the transparent one. Now let's get into the clear lace one. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna put that on there, and then I'm gonna spray it again. And let's blow dry that baby. Oh my gosh, do y'all see how clear that lace is? You can't even tell the lace is there. Like, y'all see the transparent one, it's great. Don't get me wrong, the transparent lace is great, y'all. But that clear lace is so freaking clear that you cannot even, you could barely see it. Like, oh my god, look at it. And y'all just see how much of a difference that is. So the wig they sent me, it is 24 inches. So this is their new Wet and Wavy wig. It is a customized layered edge wig. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the wig's natural layered edges, okay? hair done, y'all. This really a 3-in-1 wig, okay, period. It gets straight, as y'all can see, and it get bone straight, you guys, and it gets curly. Like, look at this. So I just want to give a huge shout out to XrsBeauty Hair for sending me this bomb behind wig, y'all. Okay, what lace? What lace? What lace? Oh, okay, yes. I want to give a huge shout out to Xrs Hair for sending me this bomb behind wig. Make sure y'all go shop with them. Let them know I sent y'all. And yeah, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Y'all, I can't believe this hair gets a bone straight and it can get curly. Like, look at this. Okay. Okay, period. Y'all see me. Y'all see me. Y'all seen how it was straight at first, and y'all seen how I got it curly. So everything about this hair company will be in the description down below. Make sure y'all check them out. Let them know I sent y'all. And yeah, it's giving very much scalpiana. Okay, period. Okay, period. So you guys, that's really it for today's video. I really hope y'all enjoyed. Mwah. Love y'all. Bye.